Hi everyone, Namaste. Welcome to UOB live broadcast. In wrestling, life would sometimes feel like a fight. The punches, jabs, and hook will come in just like the form of challenges, obstacles, and failures. If you keep stay in the ring and learn from those past fights, at the end of each round, you will be still standing. Can you think of a time when life to try to knock you down? Who is your toughest opponent? Most of the time, our most challenging opponent is ourselves. Geta Phogat, one of our favorite wrestler athletes in India, who motivate me. No matter how hard life is, we gotta go through it by ourselves. We gotta figure it out by ourselves. You need to write your own life. Nobody else can replace you. The pandemic has been exploded in India for a long time. Everyone hopes to get through this tough life as soon as possible. The epidemic has caused economies to fall. Life becomes so difficult. The price of food, the price of medicine have become so expensive. Oh my God. Everything is not going into good direction. Life shouldn't always be like that. There will definitely a solution. What should we do? Becoming richer can solve this problem. But the problem is how? Now I gotta tell you, UOB Asset Management is the way to solve the problem. We are here to help everyone. In fact, we never show off how much earning we get. But it is our goal to be able to help clients and customers to achieve financial independence as much as possible. Besides that, to win a good reputation. UOB has gone through many difficult, happy, and complicated days with clients and friends in India. But nothing can be more difficult than COVID-19 epidemic. We have provided India with lots of masks, alcohol, ventilator, and etc. But so sad. This is far from not enough. Can you believe it? During the epidemic, our customer have a stable income every day. This is the way to get through the hard times. I want to tell you, this is important and guaranteed. India is a blessed country. Everyone has the chances to overcome this hard time. This is not just for the right of those rich people. Financial independence usually means having enough saving, able to do financial investment, and enough cash on hand to support all kinds of life we want and families. This means that having enough saving allows us to retire or having a business we want instead of getting fixed salary monthly. Many investors actually don't know where to start and feel confused about it. In fact, freedom of wealth is not difficult. The important thing is to choose the right path and choose the right company. What to choose? UOB will be your perfect choice. United Overseas Bank, or we call UOB, was established in 1935 as an international financial services organization. I list out a few services that UOB provided, like personal financial services, private banking services, investment banking services, and so on. Because of too many services we provided, I'm not gonna show out and list out to all of you. If you wanted to know more, you may approach to any of our assistants. But right now, I'm gonna tell you our main services that I'm going to talk tonight, which is Forex Exchange Capital Service. In short term, we call Forex. UOB Asset Management has 4 major teams. All of them are formed by various elite in financial industry. This is an important way for us, for our investment to increase. Of course, UOB brings not only wealth, beside that, they are giving us great financial knowledge, strong networks, and full of financial product investment experience. All of these are important skills. Some of our team, they are graduated from Oxford, and some of them are graduated from Cambridge, and also UCLA. Is it a great thing to be able working with them? Very cool, right? The super major team use advanced mathematics model to replace human subjective judgment. And they are using computer technology to select multiple high profitability events that can bring excess return from a huge historical data and formulate strategies to avoid not reasonable investment decision when the market is extremely not stable, to achieve operational safety and stability. Lastly, to ensure maximum return. The leader of the team, Mr. Philip Wah, has been in this business or industry for 19 years. His hunger for the opportunity, fast and steady. And beside that, he also have a unique insight into understanding of the market. Of course, this is not the best. There are even bigger and higher level teams, supreme royal teams, and so on. Our top team are trying to make themselves and the team member better. This is what a good team must have. Next on, I want to show you our platform, MetaTrader 4, or we can call in short form is MT4. MT4 is a very easy to use international financing trading software. It has powerful graphic analysis function which can combine with multiple charts. There are some charts can be used. We are using this candlestick chart, MACD, and line chart in the trend. It can attract indicators such as moving average, moving lower band, SAR, and etc. Besides that, you can add plenty of indicators and image stabilize for clearer analysis. The price is clearly marked, and the line analysis such as trend line, golden session line, and etc. can be stored nicely. I tell you, after the drawing is done, it can be seen the time chart of different periods. The graph that sees online can be viewed offline. The quotation can be exported for further analysis. And real-time quotation can be displayed in the office table. International major financial product can be found in this software. It can check the market and trade also. MT4 is a simple, convenient, and easy to use. It sounds very exciting, right? Beside that, there are many rich variety of forex changing, such as gold, crude oil, stock, and others. Through MT4, you can complete the transaction without leaving your house and can complete a trading with just only a few seconds. Some more with just one click. Get a real-time information on quotation of different currencies and other financial products. Analyze the price trend of financial products. And the last, also important, make the correct decision. With MT4, you're able to get real-time access to financial information from all the world top news agency with complete transaction with a portable computer, even in your smartphone. Beside that, you can automate your trading tactics also. How to do it? You can write your personal formula through expert advisor. Automate the control your trading at any time. With MT4, you can trade on the world currency market forex, stock market, and futures market. Because of MT4 is so popular, with the update time to time, it has become the best choice of all similar platform products. Majority international leading financial investors have chosen MT4 as their important platform to analyze the market and funds management. Now, we can start our trading. Because we already have the core technology, which is consistent trading to achieve 100% profit. UOB Asset Management and the four major teams can always use this to obtain many trading chances and make profit in the market. There are many financial products in the international market. Some of them are always full with huge fluctuation. Even the whole world is always having big changes. There are some products that fluctuate greatly. Then our four major teams able to get huge profit based on this fluctuation. In some major financial investment product, the floating is not so big. We can also use the technology of consistent trading to get profit. I repeat again, to get profit. The four major teams have different divisions of industry. Very easy. Just listen to me. Very easy. The more you invest, the higher benefit you will get. I will repeat again, and this is very important. With consistent trading, all profit are 100% for sure. And this is the key of all this. The MT4 platform contains a large number of financial products, which allow us to enjoy many floating opportunities on a stable and safe platform. For example, the German DAX index, Nasdaq, and Dow Jones index are all international mainstream financial products in investment market. Obviously, the US stock market is still one of the largest financial trading market in the world. And it dominates many financial activity in the world also. Germany is one of the most developed countries in Europe. German manufacturing is popular all over the world. And this brings out financial market activities also. There are a lot of chances are waiting for us. Can you imagine? the world major stock index can become our investment and profit tools. Isn't it great? The forex market in MT4 allowed you to trade any two currencies in the world. The most frequent traded currency pair are called major currency pairs. Besides that, there are minor currency and emerging currency also. In trading, profit are obtained by buying low and selling high. This also same apply for the forex market. The difference between the buying price and the selling price is called the spread. The difference of the spread is not measured in dollar or pound, but we call it points. This is the smallest price movement on most trading platforms. For most currency pair, this is the fourth decimal place. The currency value of each pip depends on three factors: the currency pair being traded, the size of the transaction, and the exchange rate. Short position in big liquid currency are always only a few points different, while currency with less liquid are always big different. Since the transaction win or loss of each currency very small, so normally the transaction amount are very big. For example, say you believe the euro will increase. Then you sell US dollar to buy 1,000 euros. Once the euro increased by 10%, you can make a profit of 110 US dollar. In other way, if you buy 1 million euros and change to US dollar, increase 10%, you will get a profit of how much? 110,000 of US dollar. How to do it? Traders often use margin accounts to leverage or borrow funds to achieve such large-scale market order. Next on, I'm gonna show you how to trade Forex, what currency pairs are, the definition of spread, and the reason why Forex market trader use leverage. Many things you notice in daily life also affect Forex market. What are those? When people talk about mortgages, they're talking about the interest rate. And when companies or politicians make economic statement, with this, trader will notice that when news report pop up, there may be a trading opportunity. These chances can be found in two basic senses. For example, after the central bank changed the interest rate, in a more psychological sense, gets the information about how of the trader think and the forex market will react. Sometimes, announcement and event have short-term and long-term, and you can decide to trade one or two. Suppose you believe that in the short term, the new interest rate determined by central bank will increase the value of the national currency. In this case, you can buy or go long this currency until it depreciates and then sell it to make profit. You can also choose to sell or short the currency when the announcement is released, because you believe the other traders will sell the currency in the short time. There's another way to look at the changes in the interest rate, which is buy currency with higher interest rate. In fact, there is a word which is buy high interest rate currency and sell low interest rate currency. We will call it carry trade. Because of so much money is involved, only big announcement or event really make traders to move the market. This is the main factor who affect the forex market. The most frequently traded currency pair are called major currency pair. Other currency pairs are called minor, or you can call crosses currency pair, or exotic currency pairs. When you and other forex trader buy and sell, you create chances for other traders buy and sell forex exchange. Foreign traders include individual traders, but also have companies traders, financial institutions such as pension fund, hedge fund, broker, and banks. The intention of all market traders are different, but the purpose of each trader is same. What is it? Make money. Manufacturing industry company may wish to protect their physical investment through hedging. Financial institutions may also hedge or just invest, while the central bank may want to influence prices and transaction volume. For example, if a country's central bank wants its currency to depreciate, then the currency will remain competitive in exporting goods and services. It will exchange foreign currency for its own currency. Forex transactions are not conducted at any central exchange office where they are exchanged. Over the counter, what we call is OTC transactions, are mainly conducted through trading platform, so that buyer and seller can see real-time bidding and the quotation of multiple currency pair. The convenient when you want to trade something at the desired price and quantity is called liquidity. There are many short traders in some currency, and I say that is a good liquidity because any given trade will not really affect the price. The trading volume of other currency is lower than usual. There are several factors that affect liquidity, but normally it's about the trader able to buy or sell what they want and when they want. And this is come down to pricing and trading volume. Other factors such as geopolitical event, economy news, and certain traders can also affect trading volume or pricing, thereby affect the liquidity. My friend, you can refer our profit statistic from our assistant. Every time we attack, we can win a big victory. Why? This is because we have one core technology. What we call it? Consistent trading. Market keep changing, but our core technology remain the same. And the most important, it can help us obtain a lot of profit to counter this terrible epidemic. Let's follow me read this term. Before winning any battle, it is important to overcome your fear. Anyone understand of this? Many people seem not ready for a new financial investment product. Only if you dare to try, you will have the chance to become richer. It is important to stand to your fear. In fact, most of this comes from yourself. It is because lack of financial knowledge. Once we have fulfilled and fully mastered the platform of MT4, we can enjoy the profit and the fun brought by fluctuation of international financial product. UOB Asset Management have been developing in India for many years and has a good reputation and strong connection. There are more chances and opportunity are waiting for you. Today, I will end here. Thank you and see you again. Bye bye.